Hello traders, welcome to another video. This top-down analysis trading video will help you to understand the market moves and get clear entries. Okay, so now first of all we shall use higher time frame up to 15 minutes, which is a lower time frame. Now we shall always identify the overall market trend for major market structures like support and resistance, supply and demand, and other market structures, and we shall get them on our daily time frame. Then we shall go to H4 time frame to refine the market structure and wait for the price to enter our key zone identified on our higher time frame. Then we shall use our lower time frame, which is 15 minutes, or we can use a 5 minute to look for entry triggers like the candlestick patterns. Those are the rejection and engulfing or the break of market structures. Now here we shall start with this one. This one is a higher time frame. It is a daily time frame. Okay, you can see that when we look at our overall market trend, it was a bearish market. Okay, this is the current market structure. It is a bearish market. Now after that, we can look for our major structures. First of all, the supply and demand, or the support and resistance. So now here you have here a resistance zone. Okay, you have here a resistance zone, so you can mark a resistance zone on your daily time frame. And after marking your resistance zone, then we can go to you can ask yourself that is there any zone I should mark, and you say okay, I have my supply zone. To mark your supply zone right here. Okay, then after marking that, then we can refine the market structure, and we shall wait for our market to come on this zone. Let's go to our H4 time frame right here. Here we want our market to come to our zone. Okay, and we shall wait for it to come to our zone that we identified on our higher time frame. You will clearly see that when the market comes and taps into your higher time frame zone, here you can go to your 15-minute time frame for a rejection candle or any confirmation that you can really use. So you'll see right here that when the market now came back to your zone, now we went to our 15-minute time frame for our confirmation. You can really get either a candlestick confirmation, or you can get a break of market structure. But mostly here, I use candlestick confirmation, and the candlestick I mostly pay attention at is the engulfing candlestick pattern. Now here I wanted to see a bearish engulfing candlestick patterns being formed on my zone. Okay, that's why here this is the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern I waited for to be created, and you can see there several bearish engulfing candlestick patterns on my zone. Okay, this was a very clear signal for me to sell here after doing my top-down analysis for my daily time frame, guys. Okay, so here I would just enter immediately after seeing my good confirmations from here on. You can put your TP right here for a 1 to 2 trade. Okay, or a 1 to 3 trade according to your risk tolerance. Okay, so now you wait for the market to come to your TP. There that immediately after entering the market came to our TP. But now we got this after doing our top-down analysis. Okay, so now you can really do that whenever you are going to make any plan for your trade. Okay, so now hope this video has helped you guys. Consider subscribing and give a like to this video, share it to friends so that they can also benefit.